Former JRU Heavy Bomber, Paulo Puntejos.
Nag-ano nga sa akin eh.
Message.
Nag-text nga sa akin eh.
Nung isang araw, coach, ang nanonood naman, yung katandem niya dati, si Tay Chodoro.
Oo.
Diba?
Pati si Jojo Rodriguez.
Ayan.
Big fan din yan.
Salamat po sa
Okay,
panonood.
sige.
Coach, quarter scoring natin, all of the quarters won by the Benil Blazers. But I want to zoom in on that third quarter. Kasi, as Kahuko misfires right there, Eusebio cleans it up underneath. Coach, first half ng third quarter na yon, di ba? Kumakatok sa pintuan yung LPU. Tapos naka-recover ang Benil. Sila pa yung lumamang sa huli. Dun sa quarter scoring.
Yes, that's what a lead can do eh.
Yeah.
Na pag sobrang laki ng lamang, marami kang pwedeng gawin. Pwede kang mag-relax, papahinga ka lang, tapos pagdating sa dulo, hanggang dyan lang ba kaya mo? O boom, eto ulit, balik ulit yung... Kaya you should always be ready. It's a game of spurts.
Yeah.
Pagka dapat ma-arrest mo kagad nung alam mo mag-run na yung CSB, Benil Blaze. Pero tignan mo din ha, nung humahabol sila, there are 4 turnovers doon. Masakit yun sa naghahabol. 4 turnovers yun.
Doon na napigilan yung kanilang run. And that's when Benil started their counter-attack.
Yeah.
82-59. So, Benil re-established the biggest lead earlier. 23-point lead. And coach, right before the Letran game, first few games ng Benil in the season, they were winning by double figures each game. So, after their first loss, they're back to business against LPU today.
Nag-regroup sila yan, sigurado. Well, that's Letran. Ang Letran talaga, hindi ka nakakasiguro dyan.
Shot clock violation on Benil. That's Paul Turco.
I won't be surprised kung si Letran magpa-Final Four din.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They're looking good right now. Sir Paul Supan, Mancom representative of Jose Rizal University. Last season's chair. Pwede. Letran's looking good actually. 4-2 right now. Montaño lost the handle. Now let's go to our fourth quarter report. Here is Aliyah Fidelaga.
After a tough loss, the Benil Blazers are 1 quarter away from securing a bounce-back victory. According to team captain Mark Sanko, their strategy is to make their opponents lose confidence in their offense and to control the pace of the game. Ang bili naman ni Coach Charles ay to drive to the basket and play volleyball in the shaded area. It seems the Blazers are back to their regular programming, so let's see if they can continue with their momentum to bring home this win. Back to you, Martin, Coach Jerry.
Thanks, Aliyah. That's exactly how Benil is playing on the court. They are demoralizing their opponents. Inaalis nila yung kumpiyansa ng LPU. And they're dominating the painted area, led by Allen Liwag.
Yes, talagang they covered all the bases. Dito, yung learning, talaga yun eh. It's a learning game for them, yung talo sa Letran. And up to now, they continue to look for good combination. Si Coach Charles, yun, parami siyang pwede laruin dyan eh. And talaga makita mo, pinopost din nila yung mga kung saan sila may advantage.
Yeah.
Yun ang maganda sa malalim ang team.
That's right. And now with the 21-point lead, coach, Astores fires from long distance. May opportunity si Coach Charles na iupo na yung mga star player niya pagpahingahin. Montaño. All air. Pero, nakasabi ko lang, Allen Liwag, papasok ulit. Roger Ondoa comes in with him. Liwag coming in with 20 points and 11 boards. 9 out of 10 from the field. 90%.
Puro point blank range yan.
And
Talagang
Coach, what's impressive, usually, kapag ka nakakatanggap yun ng bola, 2-3 yung sumasalubong sa kanya. Sanchez against Barba. Sanchez. Too strong, too long. Justin Sanchez counted and won. And everything just falling for the Benil Blazers. Look at the activity of Justin Sanchez. He knew that he had the advantage right there.
Yeah. Yun lang, yung kay Barba, he was there already, kaso nagbago siya ng footing. Naka-defensive stance na siya, tapos sumide view siya. Kung siguro ginalaw niya yung paa niya, baka hindi siya na-foul.
So, Coach, 16 puntos na para kay Justin Sanchez. This Benil team exploding today. Again, this is the best way to respond after suffering your first defeat. Tas Guadagna guides that one in. That's a difficult angle taken by Maclod.
Oo. Talagang,
Coach, si Maclod talaga binubuhat niya itong LPU. 26 puntos.
correct. Oo.
Liwag.
Masyadong madali mag-execute yung College of St. Philip against LPU Pirates.
Guadagna down the middle. That one went in and out. There's a foul underneath. By the way, Coach, 26 points of Maclod Guadagna. This is already a career high for him. Ito. Slight hesitation. And kissing that one off the window, but
Wala siyang katulong sa scoring eh.
siya lang,
Oo.
si Montaño at si Barba ang talagang gumana sa opensa. Maclod, nowhere to go. Oh, what a poke. Guadagna doesn't get it. Foul on Peñafiel.
Grabe kalawit rebound ni Inot doon. Ngayon ko na lang nakikita yung mga ganyan rebound eh.
Sabi natin yan, si Tony Inot. A very talented player. And this is what's scary about Benil. 22 ang abante nila, Coach. The other guys, Gab Cometa, Tony Inot. Si Tony Inot, he's only taken one shot, Coach. And he made it, a three-pointer earlier. That was way back in the first half. Pero ganito na yung lamang nila, 22 puntos.
Ano yan, mga good problem para kay Coach Charles.
Make that 22 points now for Allen Liwag.
Kita mo naman, meron siyang mga post moves sa may jump hook with using his left hand.
Ooh. Muntik mawala kay Panelo. Back to him. Jumper. Malakas. Loose ball ending up with Tony Inot. Inot ng hinayang. And this is a mark of a good team, Coach. Kasi kahit 24 ang lamang nila, as we take a look at this move by Allen Liwag, just too good, too easy for Allen at the post.
Yeah. You have to respect this game. Ang laki na ng ginagawa niyan eh. Double was not there. Walang pressure sa passer. So it makes it easier for him to attack, to score at will.
Cometa, wow! Gab Cometa! What a shot!
Sa kabila pa kinuha.
Meron na sa kanan eh.
Oo nga.
You have to see that again. Guadagna against Liwag. He's got the switch. Step back jumper. Good D by Liwag. Inot mamadali. Bounce pass underneath. Stolen by Villegas. To Barba all the way.
Medyo pagod na si Guadagna doon, no?
Yeah.
Medyo hindi na bumababa sa depensa. Can't blame him.
And they mean, that's right.
Tatlong quarter na nakasagad eh.
He's been doing a lot for LPU. Sanchez forcing his way in, but is called for steps. Ito na yung play na inaabangan natin. Gabby Cometa got it back, and then so does this fancy move. Kita mo, instead of a steady layup or a basic layup, kakaliwain ko, sasawsaw ko muna. Kunin ko sa kabila, kakaliwain ko.
Typical Cebuano player. Di ba?
Pinakitaan lang tayo nito ni Gab Cometa. 7 points for Gab. Taileg, no. $65-89. Roger Rondoa. They swing it to Inot. Cometa, lalapit ulit. Floater in the lane is good for Cometa, who now has 9 points. Timeout LPU. Lead has ballooned to 26.
The shoot gives it to Montaño. To the corner, Guadagna. Fourth to shoot. Guadagna fires a jumper. It's goal! Maclad Guadagna. Arellano will try once again. 5 seconds. Basti Valencia from the tree. No good. And now PU Pirates.
Alright. Balik tayo dito sa ating laban. Justin Sanchez, Alan Liwag inside. This guy has a double-double already. 22 points, 11 rebounds, 10 out of 12 from the field. That's 83%, folks. And he's doing it with moves like those. 22-11 and a block. And by the way, this is the first time. This is the highest scoring game of the season so far for the Blazers. First time they've exceeded 78 points. Yun yung previous highest output nila in terms of scoring. They did it twice already in game 2 and 17. And coach, they're nearing the highest output of a single team this year, put up by LPU, 97 points. We still have 4 minutes and 20 seconds left.
Ano yan, give credit dun sa mga players who's coming off the bench eh. Lahat sila very productive, tapos nakita nila meron silang mahina ang depensa sa kanila. Inaatake without hesitation.
And this is a team very determined to avenge their first loss of the season. And it showed in their play. Justin Sanchez. 16 puntos. Perfect from the field. It's good to see Sanchez being unleashed by the Blazers this season, because this is what he is capable of. Especially with his physical tools now, Coach Jerry, and his skills with the basketball.
Nakakapagbigay ng malaking sumisikip ang court eh. Pag mahahaba ang wing mo. You have a two-way wing, two-way guard, two-way big. Talagang sige, paano ka pa drive?
Yeah.
Talagang kumpul-kumpul sila. Pag pumenetrate ka, nakita mo yung collapsing defense sila. That makes them potent eh. Pag ganyan, kanya-kalalaking player, athletic, and they follow the system.
Saka lahat, masipag sa depensa. Taileg misses. Moralejo is now in the game for Benilde. Banggitin ko rin, Coach, Justin Sanchez, also perfect from the line. 8 out of 8 from the free throw line. It's a perfect game for Justin Sanchez. 18 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists.
Masyado pa maaga yun para ipasa ni Cometa underneath the basket. Nakita siya ni Coach Toroman. Libre nasa top. Hindi na binigay.
Alan Liwag, the chair of this season's management committee. Sir Hercules Calianta of the Lyceum of the Philippines University, host school for the 100th season of the NCAA. Pinakamalaking abante to, binawasan ng konti ni Renz Villegas. Pressure being applied by the Pirates, but that hasn't been successful today for LPU na, Coach. Yung pressuring defense.
Talaga next game na lang.
Yeah.
Yan ang talaga, wala ka na magagawa rito. Look forward, move to the next game. Talagang hindi ito yung mga araw na ganito eh.
Yeah.
Hindi gumagana. Trap, zone, man. Just have to find a way to compete. Ganun
Yeah.
na lang yan eh.
That's right. Paul Turco will come back, and Liwag is probably done for the game already. He will finish with 22 and 12. Moralejo.
Tignan mo yung rebounding ng CSB. Binid Blazers. Apat, tatlo.
Yeah.
Parang kala mo sila pa naghahabol.
Correct.
Di ba?
Grabe yung hustle pa rin, ano?
Oo.
They're still crashing the boards. And the
Hindi
ball
na natin-
movement here. Torres rattles home the three. 29-point lead. It's complete dominance by the Blazers. Off the bench for Lozano.
Magkakamukha, magkakatindig yung mga player ng Jerry. Di mo na alam sino yung pupukol ng pupukol eh.
They send it back out to Goho Cruz.
Good
He will
challenge.
pull the trigger, but he will knock it down. And that's the scoring caliber that he has. 7. Balik sa ating laban. Look at this. Ian Torres firing, hitting from the outside. Adds on to the woes of this LPU team. 96 points. So Benilde, 1 point away from tying the highest output in season 100.
Makikita mo yung improvement ng CSB. Binid Blazers.
Oo, yeah. Foul underneath on Paul Turco. Nakaposisyon sa harap niya si Omar Gordon. New faces being deployed by Coach Gilbert Malabanan. He is starting to experiment with his lineup. Dave Paulo just checked in. And Kunanan. Oh, steal. So another basket for LPU. Dallas, towering for that layup. So now we have
Grabe.
our new single game high by a team this season. 98 points by the Blazers. Tingnan mo to, Coach. Dallas challenging Gordon.
Layo ng take-off.
Eh,
Oh. Hindi natakot yung bata.
yeah. We'll see if Benilde can hit the century mark. Siyempre, pagbigyan tayo 100 para sa 100 season ng NCAA.
Mukhang aabot nila. Pwede pa.
Pwede
Pwede
yan,
pa
Coach.
abutan yung... I don't know if they're aware sila sa record.
Feeling ko hindi, Coach. But these are, well, mostly new players on the court for Benilde. So maraming energy to. At eto na. Galas will take off for the Jam. First team to reach 100 points this season.
Tignan mo yung galas, nakaupo yan, ilang quarter. Pag ginamit, ang init pa. Mainit pa rin.
100 points for the 100th season of the NCAA. How about this, Coach? Ito yung outlet. Naghihintay na lang sa kabila.
Oo.
And that's the right thing to do. And everybody on Benilde's bench
Yan yung maganda eh.
rising up and cheering for that Jam.
Yung winning culture, ini-establish ni Coach Charles eh. Yung kahit sabihin mo malaki na naman, ano lang. Keep on scoring.
So this ties the highest scoring output by Benilde in the Coach Charles era, ever since he took over as head coach. But they're looking to surpass that here. Backward violation lang on Carillo. Noong una, akala ko isang player to si Carillo tsaka si Galas, ano? Parehas ng galaw, lakad.
Oh.
Di ba? Stature, yan, no? Tapos, si Carillo, 41. Si Galas, 42. Palingayan. Moralejo. We're just waiting for the final score. Now, this is a chance for Benilde to get their highest output under Coach Charles. Morales. Too strong. Bounce pass. Paulo scores. 100 to 76. LPU.
Yan ang medyo nawala nung first 3 quarters.
Ah.
Yung full court pressure
Yun.
ni Coach Gilbert
Gilbert, yeah.
could have made the difference. Alam mo na, baka lang. Kasi,
Definitely, Coach.
Oo.
Yun din yung inaabangan natin eh. Because that's a signature of LPU, especially when they're down big in a game. That's how we know that they have tightened the screws and they have more sense of urgency.
kasi they were scoring eh.
Yeah.
So, parang okay naman ang laban. So, they're in the, nandun sila sa game. So, okay lang. Pero ang problema, yung nung ginanahan, yung Benilde
Benilde,
Blazers,
ah.
wala na. Hindi na na-control.
So, for the Pirates, their winning streak will end at 3 games. Tingnan natin to, Coach, kung may upgrade. Ito yung ikot. Di, wala. Last touch kanina. Uy! Okay. Paulo, Palingayan against a Blazer. Carillo. Carillo or Galas? Yung nasa gitna din, Coach. Si Galas,
Oo, parang poporma lang. Pero
Ah.
wala namang contact na nangyari.
Silipin natin ulit. Ito siya. Galas. Ito.
Mga bangga.
Okay.
May bangga pala doon.
Si Paulo, ano?
Sobrang medyo excited pa. Ginamit eh. Gigil.
Dami pang energy, Coach, eh.
Oo. Pero sila Barba, ubos ang energy nila. Mac,
Yeah.
Guadanya, I think they played siguro more than
This,
25 plus minutes.
that's right. And this also ends, as we see Coach Charles and Coach Gilbert here, this ends the streak. Just a regular foul. Ay, hindi. Ito na, unsportsmanlike. Oh, wow.
Unspo.
On Paulo. Dave Paulo.
Well, number 42, Irel Galas. Sportsmanlike foul. Number 4, Dave Paulo, falls under category 2.
Wow. Okay.
Regular foul.
So, 3-game winning streak snapped today for LPU. 4-game
Winning streak.
streak of Ato Barba exceeding 20 points. Also ends today as Barba will finish with only 12 points. Struggled in the game. Was in foul trouble early, Coach Jerry, kaya nahirapan siyang makakuha ng rhythm. So they called the unsportsmanlike foul on Paulo. But they initially called the foul on Galas.
Yes, regular foul.
May regular foul. So, Benilde nasa penalty. So, by sequence, Coach, unang tinawag ang regular foul on Dave Paulo. Oh, no. On Galas. So, 2 free throws for LPU dapat yon. And then the unsportsmanlike foul, 2 free throws plus possession for Benilde.
Correct. Yes.
Should be that way because that's the sequence of these 2 calls.
Yan, free throw. Free throw muna si Paulo.
Ayan, sabi ni Coach Charles, bola namin. Kasi yun ang pinakahuling pito. Di ba? ganun sa officiating eh. Kung may sabay na tawag,
Oh.
you check out the sequence,
You follow the sequence.
follow the sequence.
So it should be here. Mauna muna si Kwan. Si
LPU.
Galas muna. Free throw. Regular foul. Penalty.
Ay,
Yes.
hindi, mauuna.
Ano?
Unang tinawag yung regular foul ni Galas. So, ang mag-free throw, LPU,
LPU.
2 free throws. Ang pinakahuling tinawag yung unsportsmanlike foul neto ni Paulo.
Paulo.
So, 2 free throws
Then.
plus bonus possession for Benilde. That's the most recent call.
Yes. Oh, yun nga.
Foul on number 4, Dave Paulo. Falls under category 2.
Teka lang, coach.
2 free throws for Raul
Parehong foul kay
Galas.
Paulo pala.
Foul.
So, a foul and an unsportsmanlike foul.
Oh. May odds po yan.
First time kayo makita, may regular foul, tinawag kay Paulo. Pagkatapos sinawagan din ng unsportsmanlike foul, si Paulo.
Dapat isa lang yun. Medyo...
Okay. Some confusion.
Oo, medyo Kwan.
Eh? Okay, Galas will take 2, at least 2 free throws. So, coach, 4 to dapat.
Oo.
Diba? Dalawang free throws off the regular foul. And then 2 free throws off the unsportsmanlike foul. And then the possession. 1 out of 2. So, highest scoring output for Benilde ever since Coach Charles took over. So,
Nagkalikuan na.
2 free throws lang plus possession, Coach Jerry.
Oo.
101 points on the board for Benilde. Morales. Paulo, another touchdown for this guy. Little too late though for LPU. As Benilde will cruise to this win. Galas gets it back, rips it away, and that's all she wrote in this ball game. (101-78). Galas to the line. Adding on to this big Benilde total.
Lahat sila, ready talaga.
Grabe na, coach. Even the players at the end of the bench producing for Coach Charles. Final moments. Paulo misfires. We got 7.4 seconds left. And the Blazers bounce back and get their 5th win in season 100. The final score, 103-78. It was a 25-point beatdown by the Blazers on LPU.
Wala akong masabi. Ang ganda. It's parang sobrang ganda ng preparasyon ng CSB Benilde Blazers dito. Wala na akong masasabi. Well, kay Coach Gilbert, I'm sure he'll go back to the drawing board. He'll find ways paano siya makaka-compete sa mga coming games niya.
Yeah. And unfortunately for LPU, they faced a determined Benilde team.